Wanna see some, every day you keep encouraging me.
Magega yabe musie Kurwase County ya Meru komorusi obisi omo governor we county Kawira Mwangaza nigo bona basubadi Kurwase nseme ibanyade bawe soke na komochi bali banyade bakore korwekyo anakarabate bruna abasubadi abange nigo bawe kabasunyunterwa na gotiwerwa na gosoke kurwabisi basubadi bruna lichiko nitakire kobekwa lira lendo musubati kujasa matuko alebosi basubadi abono nigo babolire na gutakumanya ningikire tabe musie komosoke Kawira kurwabisi.
Huyu ameolewa na anatembea na mume wake, anapata kichapo. Ni kwa nini? Tunataka kujua ni kwa nini.
We wanted protection. Is it because she was working with the husband? If you go as a woman, single is a problem. Where is your husband?
Yes.
If you are married, why are you working with your husband? What did you want her to do? And now she's impeached. Did she even steal any money there? Issues of corruption. There are major issues in the country that can make somebody be impeached. She has not even made her own cabinet. She's impeached on arrival. Is it because she's a woman? Is it because she's vocal and she's speaking her heart? Or because she's working with the husband? It is so emotional. Wanawake wanaonewa kila mahali. The fall of the 2/3 gender rule told you that wanawake wanaonewa. Angalia, hata the number of women who vied and how many were elected. The number of women who go for positions, ni wangapi wanapata. An interview, wamama wangapi wanapata na wanaume wangapi wanapata. We are not against men, but